Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about evaluating limits.
Minute Math. When you need help, you use Minute Math.
We're given this critical thinking question. Give an example of a left-sided limit that goes to infinity as x goes to 5. Well, like before, we can take the limit here as x approaches 5, but it has to be a left-sided limit, so we'll approach from the left here. Now let's start with the same limit as the other one. We have 1 over an x minus 5. Now what happens when we approach from the left here though? Well, we know we're dividing by a 0, so it's going to some infinity there. But if we pick a value just to the left of 5, let's say 4.9, what happens? Well, we have 1 over a 4.9 minus 5. In regards to positive and negative, the numerator is positive here, and our denominator actually comes out to be a negative. A positive divided by a negative is a negative, and we want to go positive infinity. So if I just toss on a negative out front here, what happens? Well, the negative goes out here. We have a negative times a positive in the numerator, right? Divided by a negative, which is a negative over a negative, which is a positive. So let's go see this with a table here. I've created a little table with some test values with this function here. And what happens when we plug in different values as we approach 5 from the left. Plug a 4 in, we get a 1. Plug a 4.5 in, we get a 2. Plug a 4.9 in, we get a 10. And plug a 4.99, we get a positive 100. And so we can see with our table here and with our knowledge of our limits that are rational functions that we're approaching a positive infinity now. And so we have now created a limit here, as our final answer, of an example of a left-sided limit that goes to infinity as x goes to 5 is the limit as x approaches 5 from the left of a negative 1 divided by x minus 5. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math. When you need help, you use Minute Math.